Today we'll be looking at laws of indices, where we have multiplication law, division law, power law, zero index, and negative index. And we'll be taking them one after the other. Multiplication law: when you are multiplying two numbers with the same base or equal base. Now, this is the base, 2 is the base of this particular number, while 2 is the base of this particular number. So when you are multiplying two numbers with equal base, you are going to add their indices. Alright, and their indices is, for these two, the index is 4, while for this one is 5. Alright, so we are adding these two. Alright, so we're going to have 2, that is the base, 4 plus 5, which will give us 2 raised to power 9. Alright, so this is for multiplication law. When you are multiplying, once their base are equal or the same, we are going to add their indices. Alright, let's say here we have a raised to power 4 times a raised to power 5. For the fact that here is a and here is a, you are going to add their indices. Alright, so let's go over to division law. Here, once you are dividing numbers with the same base, you are going to subtract their indices. Remember, for multiplication, you are adding their indices, but for division, you are subtracting their indices once their base is the same or equal. So for this one, we are going to have their base is 5, 4 minus 2, which will give us 5 equals to 2. This one is for division law. Now let's go over to the power law. Here, when a number raised to a power is raised to another power, you are going to multiply the indices. Alright, for instance, if you look at this one, this is a number 2 and it's raised to power 4, right? And also the number which is raised to power 4 is equally raised to power 2, right? So what we are going to do here, we are going to multiply these two. So we are going to have 2 raised to power 4 times 2, which will give us 2 raised to power 8. Alright, then let's go to zero index. Any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So here we are going to get 1 as our answer. Then negative index. Negative index, it simply means reciprocal. This simply means 1 over 4 raised to power 2. Alright, so this negative number here simply means 1 over. Now here we are going to have 1 over 4 raised to power 2, 16.